Craft Express has just launched a 25-liter sublimation oven in a stylish seafoam green color, combining powerful performance with a sleek, compact design that adds a touch of elegance to any space. Equipped with 4 heating tubes, it ensures even and consistent heating for drinkware ranging from 64 ounces to 1.5 ounces. The physical keys are designed for quick touch response, with simple, intuitive controls that make setting adjustments faster and easier.